Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreeya Ghunavat and I know I have been off YouTube for the longest of time. I'm really sorry, I have no excuses. I was not in the headspace to create YouTube videos for the longest of time, and now I am back and I'm in a new setup. If you can see, I have a new backdrop. I have my phone is new. I have more lights in my setup now. So let me know what you guys think about this video quality. In today's video, I'm going to create a Draupadi inspired makeup look that you guys see right here. Also, I did went short with my hair recently, but I'm wearing extensions today, hair extensions. So yeah, that's why I have long hair. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments down below. And I'm going to get started with the look. This look is very much inspired by Pooja Sharma from Mahabharata. She portrayed the character of Draupadi and I loved her character. So here I am with the look. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I promise I'm going to be more consistent with my YouTube now on. And yeah, now let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'm going to apply the PAC Pore Primer on my face to fill in my pores and give a smooth base to my makeup. Next up, I'm going to use the Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, which is similar to my skin tone. I am applying it on my under eyes, hyperpigmentation and acne spots. Basically, I'm color correcting my face before I move on to foundation. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to blend this concealer using my PAC concealer brush. So basically, Draupadi has a very matte and flawless base going on in the serial. So I'm using my PAC foundation in 2.1 next up, and I'm using very light coverage, and I'm blending it with my Cuffs and Lashes brush. This is the foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend it with my skin. I'm going to keep my base pretty matte today because that's how her face look like. Next, I'm using the Faces Lip Crayon in Tea Rose as my cream blush. Next, I'm using the PAC Spotlight Concealer in 03 to brighten up my under eyes. This is a pretty matte concealer, so it goes with the theme. I'm going to blend it using my PAC concealer brush again. Then I'm using the K-Beauty Matte Loose Powder in the shade Banana to set my under eyes, my nose area. And then I'm going to use the Wetnwild blush in the shade Mellow Wine, as Pooja Sharma has a very soft blush going on. Then I'm going to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer, but unfortunately I lost the clip of applying it. So next I'm going to move to my brows, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hill dipbrow and just fill in my brows. Her brows were quite filled in, so that's what I'm going to do as well. Next I'm using my P.Louise base in 03 to prime my eyelids, and then I'm going to start my eye look. I'm going to use the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the black color from the palette first to draw a wing-like shape. It's a graphic wing-like shape. And then I'm going to just apply black in the outer corner and some dark brown. The brown color is called Central Park and the black shade is called Abyss in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Next I'm using the Sugar Jelly eyeshadow in the shade 03. It's a very pigmented eyeshadow and sets matte. Now I'm going to use the Color Bar Kajal to apply on my lash line, lower lash line, and I'm just going to smudge it out later with the angled brow brush. After this step, I'm going to use a Lakme Eyeconic liner and just line my eyelid. And just so the liner doesn't look very harsh in the outer corner, I'm also going to take black eyeshadow and blend it in my outer corner. Next up, I'm going to use the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara on my lashes, but I'm also going to use falsies. I'm going to use the PAC Pro 05 falsies on my lashes, as Draupadi had very natural lashes on her eyes. Now I'm going to line my lips using the Gerard Cosmetic lip liner in the shade Melrose Place. And then I'm going to top it off with the Faces Lip Crayon in Tea Rose again. For the last step, I'm drawing the red bindi that Draupadi had, and I'm using the Crayon Aqua Color palette. I'm using the red, white and the yellow shade from the palette to draw the bindi. I'm back with my jewelry on. This is how the look looks like. Let me know what you guys think about this entire look. I would love to know. And also, thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I really appreciate it. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this look, and I hope you guys are happy that I'm back. Let me know what you guys want to see more from me, and I will be sure to work on it. I'm going to bid you guys farewell for now, but I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. So bye bye for now.